Removing the fender from the C-Class, model W204. Lift the vehicle to a suitable height and remove the wheel and the inner fender paneling. First, remove the 2 bolts from the front part of the fender. Information: the bolts join the panel to the plastic front end piece. Then take out the 3 forwardmost plastic caps on the side skirt. Now, open the doors and unclip the front section of the side skirt. You will then see 2 more bolts that need to be removed. You can now lower the vehicle back down. Get into the vehicle and loosen the bolt between the door hinges. Note: you do not need to completely remove the bolt. Now the fender is hanging only by these bolts at the top. Once they are out, the fender panel can be easily detached.